Hey guys, it's your girl Brooklyn Stace. I just wanted to show you some things something that I've been working on from all of those hauls you saw me do in the various stores. So I've been putting together some Valentine's Day gifts and mug sets and things for men. Of course, things for women. I've been doing some bag gifts. Not done with this yet. I was just putting placement to see. I'm going to want something taller in the back here, to fill up this space. So I may put some flowers, a balloon, or some extra roses. I do have a chocolate rose down in there, and maybe lift this glass up. This is like a wine glass. If I can lift that up, that'll work to fill out that space. I've been doing some things with lavender. Of course, I have plenty of red, plenty of pink, but I thought that the lavender sets would go good because it's different, as well as the green. There's some more lavender with the Yardleys, and this is some cute little spaghetti like bath soap, and it's so cute. Looks like little noodles in a cup. Then, do something with yellow, and then something for the men and the boys, as it says, "You pick me up." They have a keep on trucking and sweet ride, and you drive. What it says? You drive me crazy. Torque it over. I love that. That's a cute thing. And I'm going to do something with the flat concept that I came up with using these that I thought of. So look out for that. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube do that, so I'm going to do that. What else? What else? And look at all of the options. See all of the containers, the pails, the blue, the pink, the canisters back there, the tins. I have everything, some of everything. All the little things for girls, little nail polish, bath salts, just you name it, socks, everything for the face, for the body. Couldn't find a lot of these spa things this time. I was a little disappointed. The spa sets, you go to different Dollar Trees and you can't find them. So I was only able to find the bath bombs and one of the spa things here, but I couldn't find a complete set. So it was a little disheartening, but that's okay because I can match it up with a lot of different things. There's candles, lip scrubs, things back there for men, and these cute bouquet of roses. I just love that. The candies and all of these cups and mugs and cute little champagne flutes. And then I'm going to do for the little girls again, for the lip balm and candy and Ghirardelli squares and truffles and just some of everything. Dove. So yeah, I have everything. Foot scrubs. I'm going to put together so many different things. And just over here, now you get to see what I've done with some of the tubs. I put my bags in one of the tubs. This is the candy. This is all ready to go. Put the top on here, and it's all ready to go in the garage. And I'm going to put a label on it so it can be stored. And that's the Christmas stuff. This is some more Christmas things, as you can see. Some of the holiday stuff that I'm putting up, and these are all the Christmas wrappings and ribbons and mugs and cups and everything Christmas related. So these are going to be stored, stacked on top of one another, and then I'll have somewhat of my space back. But then I put all my bears here. You see my flowers. This is all my tissue paper and the cardboard boxes back there, and this is all for the stuffing, except for that one little scalp massager that belong in here with the rest of those. And these are all of my stickers and bows that I'm going to use now, ribbons, and that's just stuffing. I just got a delivery, and I was like, wow, you know what? With the delivery I got, I can use the little air packets, and use that for to instead of the using the stuffing that I have in here. Just various random things that I could use for stuffing, or using all this tissue paper that I got on sale at the Walmart clearance. I was like, hey, I can use this because this is already filled with air, and this will help me to when I want to lift some things up in a box or bag. And in there is just the bows and the shreds and my pipe cleaners and my cellophane, and that's what's in there. And so, yeah, I've got a little assembly line going here. So I will be putting all this together just to show you another concept I saw another couple of YouTubers do, and I thought that was a great thing. So I put some candy in the back there, and some a purple cup, a loofah, like a lavender loofah, and some body cream. And I thought that was cute. I'm going to do more of this concept. So I just wanted to show you what I have been working on. I got a lot of work to do. I'll try to do some videos to show you what it is I come up with. But for right now, guys, I'm going to get to work because, I'm behind, and I need to get all this stuff and those bags and those boxes and those tins and the containers. I just need to get it all together. So I'm going to finish these things up tonight and wrap some of these things up, put some bows on it, and get some room on this table and move on to the next. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about what I have been doing and what I'm going to do. Oh my gosh. Pray for me. Got my work cut out for me, but this is what I signed up for. All right, guys. So remember, if you're not subscribed, thank you so much to my subscribers. You guys rock. All of my subscribers, I can see you subscribing daily. I love that because, I've been missing for like a whole year. A year it came by so fast. So thank you for all of you that are subscribing and watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have a question or comment, feel free to drop it down in the comments and I will read it and I will respond. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and be well. Bye-bye. Don't mind my ashy hands. I just washed my hands. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.